So hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV and this is Vlogmas day 11 guys, and today I'm going to be making me pull out my bag. I'm gonna see I'm gonna use cocoa beans guys and make real authentic chocolates. Alright, so if you never see our cocoa bean look, this is how it is. Cocoa beans, and we're gonna parch them like how you parch janga, and then we have the mortar. I'm show you the mortar when we are going to use for beat them and make them into chocolate balls, right? So stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel guys. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. Let's get the channel to 30,000 subscribers, and also you can follow me on other socials at Fanika TV, but on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shakiford. So yeah guys, please leave a comment and tell me if what kind of chocolate you use, because you know that it's like a tradition to drink chocolate for Christmas. So anyway guys, we are going to make some cocoa, some chocolate, real natural chocolate from the cocoa beans guys. These are dried. I'm gonna just go get them parched up and ready. So stay tuned for this beautiful video. So I'm gonna put into cinnamon leaf in the pot, and then we put in the cocoa beans. So the cocoa beans guys, bigger than your pot. Right, so the cocoa beans are in. So yeah. Guys, I was showing you the marker. See, guys. So now I believe the heavy mortar we are going to use to beat the chocolate guys. And if you guys have been following me for since I've just started YouTube, you would know that making the chocolate was my first video. Like, it was my first ever video posted on social media. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it and how it's gonna come out after. So, and the things that are put in it so that it tastes nice, right? So stay tuned. Let's go. Guys, we just have to keep sturdy. Now stir roll. That's everything spread and get to burn. See cocoa them? You see them look? Yeah. And guys, cover the pot, you keep it open, right? Because we want it to dry. If you put cover on it, it will just steam. And we don't want nothing steam right now. Yeah guys, so we will continue to do this until they start pop. So yeah. Here they start hot now. We know. Yeah, ready. Alright guys, so then I see that they're ready. I will put them in my mouth. I'm gonna take time and put them little bit in my mouth. So yeah guys, see it. I beat up the cinnamon with it as well. The cinnamon leaf with it as well. Take my time, that's, that sugar will be up already. Let's get a spoon. Guys, I was showing it as soon as we done. Bend up most of them. So I'm going to put most of them in there and then show them. A bigger one spoon. Guys, this one phone. I just gradually have to make sure so they just out of the pot. Can't wait for them cool. The hotter they is, the easier they broke up. Easy to broke up. Stir around. When I get much sharp from this now because I never have enough. Let's continue this. Because you can really need to have more chocolate, but it end up spoil. this is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. You see it look? Trash out when you beat it with the mortar. Just drop in some more in it. Oh. And then we beat it. So, yeah, guys. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. You see? Yeah. So we're near finish. I'm gonna show you how it look now. I'm show you how it see now, guys. I'm tired. Me they are beat out thing. Me tired. But I'm gonna show you guys how it see. It's much smoother now, but it's still not quite yet there. If we make the ball yet, so you guys we're gonna go and beat it somewhere. Give about like 30 minutes with a beating, battering. So you guys see. Yeah. So it's still now, guys, a little bit more smoother and kind of wet, right? Real chocolate. It smells like chocolate. It is chocolate, guys. The only difference with it, no milk, no another one. It are the main ingredients we then use. You see, guys, it's smooth, much smoother. I'll get some more beaten and then make this something. Almost near, almost ready. Hey guys, so we are gonna roll them up in a ball. In my hand we do. You have to take time. Okay, very delicate, very delicate. As you stay together, guys. Guys, seriously? Hey guys, so this is number one. May I see how much we get? May I show you after me done make them, guys? May I go show you how much of them we get. So stay tuned for that. See? These are the finishing of the natural. These are natural chocolate, guys. Natural chocolates that I'm going to be using to make chocolate tea for my family this Christmas, guys. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge. Well, guys, me get more than what I expect out of the cocoa beans. I got 7 rolls, which is good. smells really nice, guys. Stay tuned for more videos like this, more natural videos, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my chocolate tea, but I'm gonna make them here dry first. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. Bye.